In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sale quotation in QuickBooks Desktop. In QuickBooks Desktop, a sales quotation is usually called an estimate, so if you do not see the word quotation anywhere on the screen, that is completely normal. Knowing this small difference in terminology makes the process much easier to follow and helps you find the right option without confusion. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the Customers menu at the top of the screen. From there, choose Create Estimate. If you prefer, you can also use the Estimates icon from the home screen if it is available in your QuickBooks layout. Both options take you to the same place, so you can use whichever path feels quicker and more convenient for you. Once the Estimate window opens, you can begin entering the details of the quotation. This is where you fill in the customer information and add the products or services you want to quote. Make sure the information is accurate because the estimate gives your customer a clear picture of what you are offering and how much it will cost. If needed, review the date, item descriptions, quantities, rates, and any other important details shown on the form. Taking a moment to double-check everything here can help avoid mistakes later. As you enter the information, QuickBooks will organize it into an estimate format that is easy to save and use for future reference. This can be especially helpful if you need to come back and update the quote later or convert it into another transaction after the customer approves it. Even though this process is simple, it is a good habit to make sure the quotation looks complete and professional before saving. When you are done entering all the estimate details, click Save, and that's it. Your sale quotation has now been created in QuickBooks Desktop. So just remember, in QuickBooks Desktop, sales quotations are called estimates. Go to Customers, then Create Estimate, or use the Estimates icon from the home screen. Enter the quotation details carefully, then save the form. That is the full process for creating a sale quotation in QuickBooks Desktop. It is quick, straightforward, and easy once you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete your estimate with confidence.